work done.
This thing, you could be drinking your car if you use a different type of air.
Yeah, and
You could be drifting it like
tomorrow.
next week, yeah. I mean, we can mount that and then reuse another one. Yeah, we were just laughing about that. That's a lot of bubbles coming out of there.
Well, it was along the whole edge of the whole front and back of the wheel too, but it seems to just be coming out that crack now.
This is not how wheels are supposed to work.
Alright, grab the. Well, if you're doing trans mounts, so yeah, just grab the 13. There's already one on this, I think. Pull that current. Nope, that whole rig will work, I think. Maybe not. Maybe not. I mean, I don't know. Try it first.
No, it's okay. Got another one right here.
Alright.
So what are we doing today?
Well, that's definitely not going to work either. That's,
No.
Go ahead and grab that one, then.
We're getting stuff in my
I'm just the foreman in this situation here.
We are.
Did you see it? The side ratchet will work? Wait, okay. All right. Okay.
No, I was
That's
just
it,
looking.
dude. It's got it.
We're good?
That's gonna fall on your head, though.
Do you want to grab it?
Well, use your
I
other
normally
hand.
grab yours.
Oh, all right.
We're gonna put an actual ZX trans brace
That was
on
an
my
automatic
car.
one. We just had the transmission sitting on that.
Mm.
Okay, your motor mounts,
Those are trans mounts.
trans mounts.
And then we're gonna just be doing whatever else we have, which I think are my hubs.
You know we have tools to open that.
Oh my god, I hate you so much.
Holy
Welcome to what I
dude, you have all of your hooks.
You're welcome.
The factory rubber ones. They're all there. Every one of them.
Look at you're jealous.
They're all there. Holy cow.
Okay, now what? Now what, do?
First, you say thank you to
Thank you,
Revshift
Revshift,
for supplying these to you.
for trans mounts and motor
Yep,
mounts.
and then you just go like that, and you tighten it down, and you go like that, and you oh, you took it all the way out.
Oh,
And then these little chunk things right here, do they smell or not?
no. Unless I have COVID, I
They
can't
don't.
smell them.
So Revshift makes stuff smell. They put it in their mold.
What size are those?
Smell this.
Smell this.
Why does it smell like candy?
It's vanilla.
Is it, what size is this?
They put it in the mix so it smells good.
Oh my god.
That's amazing.
Isn't that the most
That's
ridiculous thing?
That's the greatest.
Yeah.
I'm still registering like, why? But yes, I like it.
For that, they should be 13. Yeah. But so what you want to do is you want to get your mount on there first.
Oh, so I need to come in from the top.
Well, you'll just use a ratchet on
Try to tighten it up to this.
it. And then toss one of those in there.
Like,
Just, let me line this up. Alright, go ahead.
I already did. Already did it. The exhaust is hot.
Yeah.
No touching.
Dial it
Yeah, you can.
Zip.
in. I have no patience.
That's fine. Gets my stuff done.
She looks really disappointed. She's like, I know how to do this. She's intentionally just like, oh no, please help.
No finish.
This will work for you. There you go, my lady.
Thank you.
I've been demoted to tool handler.
I don't think you're gonna put that on your official resume. So can you describe tool handler to me?
Tool handler? Wow, that's... you know, Gotta have the right tool for the job, so
And sometimes he does.
I got all I just gave her all 13
Do
millimeters
you want to
of
make sure it's
fury.
tight enough? I didn't really get it open there.
Not.
You know, marriage is a 50-50, so you do left side, I'll do the
I'm
right
glad we went
side.
to the chiropractor today because my back's gonna be blown out working on this
You
side.
can go back up. It was just for the fact that I couldn't see where
Alright,
I
motor
was
mounts.
indexing.
Get you dead man again.
Here he is. Okay.
I'm alive, very much so. I'm gonna come up a little bit. What kind of motor mounts are on here? Stockers.
Stock ones.
Okay, so right here. And then gone.
Somebody didn't put tools away from
Well,
his last
alright,
job.
you're right. I'll do that while you're working on this.
No, it's okay.
So the
I'll use your help first.
lower motor mount first. Launching over here. Is that where you
Some
keep all your bolts?
Nuts. These are actually nuts, in case you didn't
Nuts,
know.
you're right. I call it bolts nuts all the time. Oh, you got your intake. Put that on too. If you can put your intake on, just pull the map. It'll make that easier. Here. You have your intake? You're in Take?
What intake?
I gave you an intake.
When? Oh,
I
is it
gave
in the
you
back of
that-
the car? You don't have the
Give her things, and she's like,
Oh.
and then like, I
I
don't
want
know.
an intake.
You work so hard for no reason. There's a tool for that, dude. You don't have, yeah.
Oh.
Saw that coming.
I got a ripped boot.
Probably. If you didn't, you do now.
Shut up.
Probably got a ripper. Oh, you got a ripped boot. Ripperowski, dude.
Oh, that even,
Ooh.
that's not even
Holy
me just now.
Christ.
Brr, 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 brr. I got a rip in my boot.
There's a rip in my boot.
No, you just turned on and blinded
Oh,
me.
that's what you do every time. That's what we like to call a heavy wobbler, not a light wobbler.
Wobbling. Inside joke. Go friends.
I wasn't even there for that.
That probably don't even watch these videos.
No.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out to my unsupportive friends.
Alright, well it's on there. And it's gonna make some loud noise because it's up against my... Please don't do that.
Car officially has no motor mount bolts. Just like most of the people that drift at events. What are you doing over there?
I was trying to fiddle beep it out, dude. What are you doing?
Go ahead, go grab your shit, get out of there. Merry Christmas. Motor's like through the friggin' hood right now. I see.
Do I need
Okay,
to...
we're off now, that's all you get. Gonna get in there and then we'll lower it back down as I hold your car from flipping off the roof.
I meant to go between my legs. Bloopers!
Swing and a miss.
Thanks for the parts. Throws them on the ground.
I can't...
I believe in you.
Well, you can believe in me all you want, but doesn't mean beep's getting done. Do you see what I am
How much
saying?
farther is it gotta go?
Like...
You got it?
Yeah.
This crank is strong like bull.
I'll take my line.
What? You invented that line?
TM. Don't sue me.
There you go. Yep. There you
Yeah.
It doesn't go in.
go. Twist it.
Bop it.
No, like...
Pull it.
Bless you. Alright, smarty pants, whatever.
And it's settled back on the lift now. It's stuck on the crank and the gears. There she goes.
One nut on.
I got RPF ones that are spec'd for this kid if you want to stick those on the front. The white ones. No?
Those faces stick out pretty far and they're pretty gross.
Well, you're gonna pull these wheels off anyway.
You just offended like a lot of people,
They like bow out.
including me.
They bow out. Like they're past the lip.
I've got.
They're like the low
Yeah.
offset ones. Yeah.
Alright.
Those, I don't like those. You're right.
You got the nuts on the bottom?
Yeah, I got the nuts
Tighten
on the
them down.
bottom.
Snug them. Snug them.
Where's the 16s?
Give me that.
Where are all
Give
the
me that.
16s?
Both daps. Both daps. Yeah. Yeah. Papa wheelie.
Are they 15s?
I can't even pop a wheelie, but she can pop a wheelie.
Papa Willie, I watched you.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a good idea for a video.
What's that?
We should go to Andy's compound and he can teach me how to wheelie because I taught him how to drift.
There you go.
Is it up top? Behind you?
Lord, I kind of learned how to wheelie.
Alright, down we go.
This is the most exciting video I've ever filmed.
Yeah. I always wondered that. I'm like, why do people want to watch people work on cars? But people do, apparently.
Oh, you bastard!
Tell them how you feel.
Nay. I don't know if that actually did anything.
Welcome to Cars.
Well,
Every mod ever. I don't know if that actually did anything.
it looks tighter than when I started, so I'm gonna guess that it did something.
Yeah, we're gonna go with that.
So, what wheels are these?
These are impul RS3s.
The correct answer is they're sedan.
Yeah. I got them for my Skyline, and then I sold my Skyline, and
Yeah.
I never once put these on it.
Yeah, 'cause your Skyline was an impul car, right?
Yes. So we got the wheels that I wanted to put on. They're from my Skyline that I sold last summer. This car, we got the motor mounts and trans mounts done. We put a new air intake boot because my last one was ripped. And then I still need to do all of the rear bushings and then go get this thing aligned and get over fenders put on it.